This is Sussy. Today I'm taking Sussy to school. She loves walking. Everyone loves Sussy.
He's so cute. Let me see.
Sussy loves everyone. Today we're allowed to play with Sussy at school. Sussy can do tricks. Sussy loves chicken and cheese. She's so clever. All those tricks made her very thirsty. I love Sussy because she is cuddly and snuggly and she's very soft and she's just a very cute dog.